Guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously my hair's a mess. I'm so sorry for that. I just want to get that out of the way. I tried to do something with it and make it cute, but it's just crazy today, so it's all over the place. I did try to throw in this little scrunchy thing in here, but it's black, so it probably blends in and you probably can't even see it, so whatever. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I already primed my eyes. I have chai tea in here, it's so good. So I already primed my eyes. I just put some concealer on it and blended it all out. I really don't know what I want to do. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use Silk Cream basically as a base all over my lid. So I'm just going to move that all around. Do you guys like this thing right here? I don't know if it's right there. It should be like right here, hanging on my wall. I made it. I got that stick from a lake we went to, and then I just bought yarn, and I basically like knotted the yarn onto the stick. Because we really needed something over our bed, but I didn't know what. Oh my god, my hair is a mess. It's so messy. So I'm going to take this brown right here, which is called Mocha, and just bring it on the outer corner of my eye. We'll see how this goes because I'm not very good with dark colors. I think the key to dark colors is just making sure that it is all blended out. Yeah, I don't like dark colors. Oh, that's so dark. Let's do the other side. I've never really cut my crease before, but we could try it. Why not? Okay, so I'm gonna just go in with a little bit of a darker brown and put it in my, that's really dark, holy shit. I'm gonna just set it there first before I blend it. I can't be the only one who's scared of dark colors. Do dark colors scare you guys? Because they scare me. And then this dark one I'm using is Central Park. Oh, Central Park, that reminds me of when I went to New York. Speaking of New York, I feel like that's a place where like everybody should go once in their life. It's way different than where I'm from. I'm from Arizona, but I now live in Colorado. But it's just different. The people just seem different. I don't really know. I mean, I loved it. I loved going there and just seeing what it was like. But I honestly don't think I would be able to live there. It's just it's way different than what I'm used to. And I don't know. There's just too many people. Too many people for me. So now I'm just using some concealer, and I'm going to just put it in the middle of my eye as best as I can. So I think I'm going to do this really sparkly green right here. It's called Diva. Diva or Enchanted. I don't know. Go in again with Mocha on the out sides, just to deepen it up a little bit. It has been really rainy here. I mean, it's nice because that way it's not a hot summer, but at the same time everything is always wet. And when I take Honey out for walks and stuff, everything's always wet. The dog park is always soaked. Oh my god, the worst thing ever is a wet dog park after it rains. I'm gonna spray this brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with Diva. Honestly, it might be better on my finger. Oh, that's so pretty. This is a really pretty color. Oh, do you see that? Holy crap. Let's try it with your finger. I'm gonna just use my pinky because that's the smallest. Yeah, it does show up a little bit more with your finger. This is so pretty. I've never used this color before, but I think I'm gonna do my whole lid. This is so pretty. And it does look good with the brown. So I need a closer mirror. I hope you guys can see this, like, this green is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. This color is so pretty. I'm gonna have to do this again, not just for the video, but like to actually wear out somewhere, because this is so nice. Over it again. Take Enchanted, which is basically like a green, but it's a little bit darker, and I'm just gonna put that like out here. this. I honestly don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Blending. Just clean that line up. Even if I have to go back again with some concealer or foundation because I basically wiped it off, that's okay. Curl my real lashes. Lash glue and take out my Ardell 105 lashes. Let that dry, and then I'll do this other one. Let that one dry. Coat of mascara. Are you freaking kidding me, you stupid ass thing? I'm just gonna let that dry, so just ignore it. I'm gonna let it dry so that it doesn't just smear. I think that since this is kind of bright, I'm going to go in with this bright turquoise, which is called Jada. So I'm just gonna get that on my brush. That is very bright. Oh shit. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to drag this around my lower lash line. Mascara to kind of blend my lashes with the falsies, and then I'm gonna do some on my bottom lashes. I don't know if you can really see. I think I'm gonna move her. Okay, how about like this? Better? It literally just started raining again. Okay, well, not even rain, like storming and thunder. Oh my god, did you see that lightning? So this is the finished look. I really like it because it's something different than what I'm used to. I don't normally do greens and blues and those type of colors, so it was kind of cool to just get out of my comfort zone. I'm like so distracted by the rain right now. Can you hear it? It literally just started pouring. So I hope you guys liked it too, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and yeah, leave a comment because I would like to know what you guys think about this look. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.